Hi, Mr. Lemaster here. Let's take a look at our question. Use the marking tool to identify your audience for this writing task. So writing task is another word for a prompt, right? And that's what we're going to be writing about. So it says mark the audience in your prompt is what this question is saying. All right, so let's go ahead and try to find an audience. Poets write about a variety of topics and use various techniques to communicate their ideas to their audience. For this assignment, you will look at Robert Frost's poem, Birches. Okay, so we have a name, but that name is the poet who writes Birches, so he is not the audience. Explain to young students interested in poetry. There we go. Look at this. Explain to young students interested in poetry. So I'm not going to highlight the two. I'm not going to mark that. But I am going to mark young students interested in poetry. Now, the reason why I'm marking all of that instead of just students is because number one, they are young. So what type of students? Young is going to modify the type of students. And then in particular, these students are interested in poetry. They're not just general students. They're students interested in poetry. So they have some sort of passion on this subject. And so this would be the entire audience, young students interested in poetry.